All right, so my brother gives me a call, or I called him actually, see how things were going, and started telling me about the bike's making some noise on the front end. So I ended up stopping there one day when I take my mother out. Just took a quick look at the bike, and the freaking bearings are falling apart on the front wheel, and it's just not good. So I told him I'm going to contact my good buddy, and we're going to go up there, we're going to go recover the bike, or actually pick up the bike on the trailer. So that's where I'm going. My buddy's picking me up now, and then I'm going to go and load the bike up and get it to my house so we can do some repairs on it. That's crazy. You're missing half the bearings, all the balls and the bearings. All right, got the bike to the house safely, thanks to my buddy Abel. And at some point, we're gonna have to take this apart and see how much damage there is. We know the wheel bearings are bad, as you can see from that picture I showed you earlier. We won't know anything else until we get into it. Hopefully the axle on the front wheel is fine. My brother's thinking he might need brake pads too, but we won't know until we take it all apart and see where we stand with it. So that's all for this video. Thanks for being here with me today. I wish you all the best. Have a great day. Be safe out there on the roads, and may God watch over you.